Yeah, give me some feathers. I need those for arrows. I don't want to go in the caves yet. You know, if I find a swamp, if I find a witch hut, that means I'll be able to see the new cat. Have you guys seen the purple cats they added in the Snapchat? Yeah, got a lot of mutton. Yep. Yep, here we go. Sugar cane. I think they should do the jokes on the Mario Kart. No matter what, the harder cards. No matter what, no matter what. Oh, I think it's getting night out. I think at this point it's time to head underground. I got enough food to last me for a while. And I got all the sugarcane and leather I need. Yeah, and I got 5 apples, and I can go get more, and I can get more, with Alright, let's make some torches. I'm gonna make 5 of them right now. I'm gonna make 20 of them right now. There we go. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste my time with coal. So much stacks of coal. I got all the XP. There's iron. So it's cool. Yeah. I guess those timers didn't work. I need to find a way how to do a timer command that runs through the world, including the nether in the end. And the pick broke. It's alright, I got enough iron. Oh wait, I have the smoker now. Oh wait, it doesn't smelt ores. It only smelts food. Really? Gotta make another furnace until I get a blast furnace going. I wonder if the smoker is the same thing as the furnace. See, I unlocked a few more recipes. The smithing table. Here, I'm gonna make another furnace. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna smelt some stone. Cause you can make those other, you can make the smooth stone slab. The smooth stone. Isn't it an iron pick? Alright. Yeah, I'm 400 blocks away from 0, 0. More iron, jeez. I'll be set on iron. I know you need the smooth stone in order to make the blast furnace. And I need a staircase back up. Oh, it does. It smelts all of it. I wonder if it does. Yeah, I'm just gonna make another furnace. I just need one coal in there. Yeah, I don't care. I just want this. I just want to open the blast furnace recipe. There we go. Yeah, you need 3 smooth stone. Oh wait. Oh wait, I have enough to make it. Yes! Because I'm smelting more. Yes, I can make the blast furnace. Here we go. Like this. Now with this blast furnace, smelt all the iron. Now the blast furnace is kind of similar to the smoker, but you smelt ores instead. So, but apparently, look at that. It's cooking so fast. This is pretty good. Oh, it has a sound too? Here, I'm gonna turn up the sound. I don't need that much. There you go. Give me out of that. I need to get back in the story. This is probably the first episode already. Probably the second episode already. Oh, there's a cave. Yeah, there's a cave right there. Yep, into the strip mining again. I don't want to hear lava that close. Oh yes, do you guys like this new crouching? It almost feels weird when you do that. Wait, hold on. Does it actually make you crouch under a block? It almost makes you go underneath a block. Alright. Give me some more iron. They do not belong here. Shh. Shh. This new crouching, it's not even good. I mean, really. Oh. I need to sort this inventory out. I'll just make a torch. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a second blast furnace. Oh, what am I doing? It's probably doing the poke hole trick. Here we go. Come on, give me some diamonds, bro. Or more iron. I need armor. I need to worry about that. And a bucket. I should probably make that as well. I need to watch out, and I need to keep an eye on gold. I wish there was a mesa bomb in this. There isn't any. I would probably get a lot of gold out of that. Nope. Yep, we have speed 2 and haste 3. I have... Come on, give me some diamonds, bruh. Redstone for XP. Oh, what the heck? They removed that recipe a long time ago. I love that. I love that new crouching. I'm glad they did something to that. There isn't any bugs, I see. So this thing must be alright. I gotta tell Nupa that. I gotta tell Nupa that there isn't any bug. Diamonds! And it looks cool with this texture. Look at that. Look at these diamond ores. I wonder if... Alright, I'm gonna get rid of stuff in my inventory. Let's see. You know what? Birch saplings I'm not gonna need. Yeah, I'll get rid of that axe, and I got this new one. I'm gonna get rid of half of those planks. Just birch log. I got a stack of logs. I really don't know. I already have a bed on. Yeah, I got enough food. I'm gonna get rid of these. Dirt is obviously a good idea. Redstone, nope. Let's get these. Only 3 diamonds. Wow. Hopefully I'm on hard. Yeah, I'm on hard. I'm probably gonna exhaust the rest of the iron picks, and I'm just gonna make the diamond one. Yeah. Unless if I find more diamonds. Yep. Give me that diamond pick. Give me that diamond pick. This episode should be called that. Oh yes, gravel looks awful in this texture. You know what? Dorite looks awful in this texture. I think everyone thinks that these textures are not good in Minecraft, but they need to get used to it, because this is how they're going to do it for the next update. I mean, the diamond block looks good, and gold blocks are good as well. Give me some more diamonds. And I say that, and there's more! Are you kidding me? Oh, thank you. Good thing I did that, because there could be more diamonds there. There's water above, which I'm gonna check it out. There's a cave up here. You know what, I'm gonna make a small little base here right now, and pull out the craft table and the furnaces, and make all the pull out the crafting table and make a bucket. Oh, that's a lot of cobble. Oh, I see you, fallen gravel.